In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot with Claude. To get started, open Claude in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, the setup only takes a few minutes. The goal here is to connect HubSpot to Claude so you can ask questions about your CRM in plain English and, depending on permissions, even create or update records directly from a chat. After signing in, click your profile icon to open the account menu. From there, go to Settings and then click Connectors. This is where Claude manages external tools and integrations. If you haven't connected HubSpot before, you'll need to add it first. On the Connectors page, click Browse Connectors and look for HubSpot. Select it, then choose Add to your team. Once that's done, return to the Connectors page and click Connect next to HubSpot. This begins the authorization process between Claude and your HubSpot account. When prompted, sign in to HubSpot. You'll then see the permissions being requested for the integration. Take a moment to review these carefully so you understand what Claude will be able to access. When you're ready, click Connect App to authorize everything. This step is important because it allows Claude to securely interact with your CRM data. Now that the connection is set up, start a new conversation in Claude. In the chat interface, click Search and Tools, then turn on the HubSpot connector. This enables Claude to use HubSpot in that conversation. If you don't turn it on in the chat, Claude may not be able to access your CRM even if the integration is already connected. At this point, you can begin asking Claude questions about your HubSpot data using natural language. For example, you can ask it to show your open deals closing this month, summarize recent customer interactions, list contacts that haven't been contacted in the last 30 days, or analyze your sales pipeline. The main advantage here is speed. Instead of manually filtering through records, you can simply describe what you need. If your connector includes right permissions, you can also ask Claude to create or update HubSpot records such as contacts, deals, tasks, or notes. Before anything changes, Claude will show you the proposed action. Be sure to review it carefully, then approve the action when asked for confirmation. That extra review step helps prevent mistakes. Once the action is completed, Claude will confirm the result. It's a good idea to open the updated record in HubSpot and verify the change directly, especially when you're first getting used to the workflow. And that's it. You're now ready to use HubSpot with Claude more efficiently and conversationally.